Hi everyone! In this quick tutorial I will show you how to blur the background of an image to a greater extent using the Remini app. Just open the app and click on Enhance. It's right here. Click on this button and then you will have to choose your image you would like to work with by clicking on it and then Enhance. We will have to wait a few seconds until it's working. So yes, here is the original and here is the new one. But now we are interested in about the background, not in the colors or anything else. So we click on this background button under the image. Wait a few seconds again. And now we can maximize the background blur by clicking on high. So this was the low, yes, this, and this is higher, yes. So I will just click on the check mark and save the image. That's basically it. I hope it helps.